Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? So guys, if you have not seen this face before, my name is Pretty Sharon because I'm sexy and I'm pretty and I'm Sharon. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, remember to do that right now because today I decided to create this beautiful and sexy gorgeous look for you guys. So I was trying this new face primer. They said it works, so I decided to try it, and I'm going to be giving you guys the review of this eye primer, face primer, like the full face primer. So guys, stay tuned, keep on sharing, keep on bringing your love you guys. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, we are still glowing, sexy and beautiful.
Once again.
Okay, guys, as you can see, I think I have blend. So right now I'm going to be, I have two different banana powder right here. I have this one that I bought also. I have not used the color is somehow like so this one is in number 3 and this one is in which number? Like in that place so that it will not go out, it will not move out. So right now I'm going to be using the brown part of this beauty blender because we don't have time to always use too much stuff. Better keeping that green is not easy. So we have to use one, use this side, use the other side, don't waste it. Don't waste that. So okay. So right now I'm trying to let that sit for just 2 seconds. When I'm done with all this, all I have to do is to take it out because I don't need too much particles on my face. Okay, right now I'm going to be using this to, like, as I'm doing it, I'm sweeping it and I'm trying to press it down, like sit and leave, sit and go, don't stay there. That is not your house. That is what I'm doing. Guys, can you see that? Oh my god. That is what you need to do. Sweep and leave. So this one, I don't need you also. I don't need you also. So can you see it now? Like the whole color, they are mashing up together like they are. So I'm going to be using this to set all my face. Like this is my color. As you can see, I'll be using it for a very long time. Yeah, I'll be using it. Like this is my best friend. I can use it anytime, any day. Is always there with me, like my real best friend. Okay, so right now I'm going to be moving on to my lip. Alright guys, so I'm going to move on to my my blush right now, because if you are a lady and you don't know how to blush, you are not yet a lady. See, I've changed the brush. I switched from this to this one. You can see it's like this. So I'll take, like, I don't need much of this. I don't need much. I need a little to make it look sleek and beautiful. You are beautiful. So you see what I'm doing? I'm like turning it around and sweeping it to the other side, like using that. Make sure you do this right. If not, you will be like somebody that just swam in the ocean of blood. So when you are done with this, you move on to the male one that make you look like a princess, like a principessa. So which is my baby, this sweetheart. Guys, when I'm with this baby, it's like I'm in love. I'm in love with this cute. Can you see that? Then you take it backward. when you're doing this, remember to blend, guys. If you want that beautiful and sexy nose to look really beautiful, so right, I'm going to be doing my lip, and in my lip I'm going to be needing brown pencil. So you take this one out a little bit. You don't need a straight line. Take it out a little. Guys, what you need next is the concealer that you used before. You're using little to be cute. And guys, if you know that maybe you need like a dried lip, not watery one, after you have done it like this, all you need to do is to take the powder that you have used before, just the whole thing will mash and look beautiful. Okay, guys, do you like this lip or I should change it? I love it, but I'm gonna change it for you so that you will see the glowing part of this lip and the shining part and the beautiful part of this. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. So this is the finished look. Tell me what you think about this makeup. What do you think? What do you think about this beautiful and sexy makeup? So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? I have been posting video looking beautiful, looking sexy for you guys. So why are you not subscribing? Please guys, remember to subscribe, give it a like, comment, share, tell me what you feel about my beautiful, what I mean by beautiful look. See you in my next, my next one.